Aishwarya's YouTube channel.
Okay, so right now I am about to go get vaccinated. I'm really scared. I hate injections. Who does not? I'm gonna show you behind the scenes that is happening. BTS of decoration that is happening at home. So basically, Ganpati is coming, obviously, and you all know I go hard. If you all have seen my previous vlogs, we go really hardcore when it comes to Ganesh Chaturthi. It's the only festival that we believe in and actually celebrate and have fun. So I'm so excited. I'm going to insert a clip right here. This is the guys coming in and taking the measurements and explaining all the decoration and how it's going to go down. So right now it is 1:31 and around 3:30 or 4 सामान आने वाला है. मी रियलाइजिंग नॉट टॉकिंग इन हिंदी. सो 3:30-4 बजे तक सामान आने वाला है, बट दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू स्टार्ट. My hand is paining already. What is going to happen when I get vaccinated and my arm, I won't be able to move my arm. Okay, so 3:30 to 4 guys are going to come in with the material of decoration. I'll show you once I reach for my vaccination first. Then I'm going to vlog the materials that they get in for Ganpati. They're going to start putting it together tomorrow, not today, and I'll let you know how I'm doing after getting vaccinated. And I watched only one episode and second episode का starting का देखा मैंने सब लोग के साथ Money Heist का. So I'm excited to go home, rest and watch and complete Money Heist. You're coming along the way of me getting vaccinated. All the decoration that I am doing for Ganpati this year, and I'm so excited because it is really good. Yeah, so I'll see you when I reach. Guys, I've reached. I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm scared. Okay, so I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm shouting. I wish there was a pole where I could click a picture and say I'm vaccinated, but there's nothing like that over here. But I am certified. It's a certification, I don't know. So I guess that's cool. And I was so scared. I'm telling you, my heart was racing, but then nothing happened as such. People vlogging in Mumbai and on streets is so embarrassing. Oh my god. Basically, I was so panicking like anything under se. I did not even ask a question if it's going to pain or anything. It was done without me knowing and it did not pain. So get vaccinated, guys, and I'm about to head out, go home, and I'll show you the preparation that is happening for Ganpati. Also, I'm okay, nothing has happened to me. There's no pain right now. It's been only 10 minutes. I waited in the waiting area room and my car is here and I'm about to leave. Okay, so as you saw, I went to the grocery store because मेरा दिमाग मुझे बोल रहा था, ऐश्वर्या अगर तू 3 दिन तक बीमार पड़ गई और घर पे रही तो क्या खाएगी. एंड ऑब्वियसली आई एम वॉचिंग मनी हाइस्ट अगेन, तो स्नैक्स तो बनता है. सो आई जस्ट डिड अ मिनी शॉपिंग सिर्फ इसी चीज़ के लिए, ऐसे प्रॉपर ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग नहीं. सो आई विल गिव यू मिनी हॉल ऑफ व्हाट आई गॉट. सो सबका फेवरेट, आई होप सबका फेवरेट है दिस. Then I got just one eye mask because everyone needs it, and then I got popcorn because series, movies, everything is incomplete without popcorns. So I got the cheese and salted one, but I like caramel and cheese together, but they did not have that. Then I got, there's one more. Yeah, I got 2 Twix for my boyfriend because he loves it. So whenever I see him, I always grab something because why not? And then I got my 2 most favorite things. It's just one thing, but I got 2 of them. Vanilla Coke, it's my favorite. And then I got my favorite chocolate. This is my favorite chocolate. I got this. And the last thing, wait, I'll have to put everything back in so that I can remove that and show you. And the last thing that I got is thumbs up, because life is incomplete without this. Okay, so I'm getting a call. My friend is getting married. She's engaged and she's calling me. I have not spoke to her since ages. So I'm going to stop this vlog and talk to her. So I'm right now watching a vlog while having my food. I'm having my lunch, wrong timing. But Ganpati ka saman is here. Decoration ka saman. So excited. Dude, I'm just looking at this and there are so many vlogs that I need to catch up on. Like, look at this. I'm interested in this one. While I'm having my lunch, look. Ganpati decoration is here or soon you turn maar liya. Because Sue knows I'm vlogging. I'm having my food, so cannot get up. I won't leave my food, I'll eat. But मैं इधर से भी दिखा सकती हूँ. While they get it in. And once they place it all down, they are not going to assemble it today. तो डेकोरेशन सिर्फ आज लेके आने वाले हैं and कल लगाएंगे. So I'll show you once I'm done with eating. I'm watching another vlog. Is it interesting to you all to know who we watch, like which YouTubers we watch? Okay, so I'm right now taking you to the hall to show you what came in. So usually there's a lot more than this, but this time we are working with cloth. Okay, so I guess you do not know I cannot watch TV or I cannot see without my specs, so I was watching TV, that is why I have this on. And so I was saying usually there's a lot of material coming in, wood and all of that. If you have seen my Ganpati decorations, then you'll know. But this time I'm working with cloth a lot in decoration. Usually my dad is the one who removes the designs, and this time Vikrant is the one who has removed the design, and I really like it. It's nice, it's very peaceful, it's very calm, and I'm going to show it to you all tomorrow, I guess, when they start working. So right now I am going to go and rest because I've taken vaccine. Right now it's been an hour or so. I've had my lunch and I'm all good. Nothing's happening to me, so touch wood, nothing should happen. Please, no fever, don't come. We don't need you, we don't need that energy. And my Sandy is roaming around. I am going to watch Money Heist right now, so let's go and watch Money Heist, rest and have some popcorn. Let's go. Okay, so I have my snacks ready and I am ready to watch Money Heist episode 2 because that's where I left. So let's binge watch and finish this. I'm so excited. By the way, I loved the first episode. So I'll see you once I'm done with this after a lot of hours. I just finished Money Heist. I am numb. Why? I actually cannot understand. Oh God, this is so sad. Oh no way. Why? Tell me everyone is feeling this way. This is so hard to process. I cannot believe this. Why? Oh God, now I cannot wait for volume 2. December. That's way too far. Actually only 2 months, but still that's way too far. And I still cannot process. Okay, so I'm just going to end the vlog here of today and I'm going to see you tomorrow. Okay, bye.